Good morning, grade 3rd. Today we will learn about how to use apostrophe s. How to use apostrophe s with singular and plural. Okay. So first we will learn why we are using apostrophe s with a noun. The reason is when we want to show that something belongs to someone, then we use apostrophe s. For example, dog's house. Here it means the house belongs to the dog. Books, words. Words of the books. Words belongs to book. Okay? So this way when we want to say that something belongs to someone, then we will use apostrophe s. Now see here, in case of singular, when the noun is singular, we will use apostrophe s. We will use apostrophe s. For example, dog's house, books, words, girls, doll, birds, chicks, car's engine, sister's room, Jim's pen, my mom's bag. Okay. Now let us see the case of plural nouns. When our noun is plural, then we will use the plural noun and the single quote. For example, boys ball. Now here the single quote is after s. When our plural noun ends with s, we will use the single quote after the s. For example, boy's ball, table's legs, girl's hand. Now here you can notice that the quote is after s, boys. After s we have used the single quote. Tables. After s we have used the single quote. Girls. After s we have used single quote. Okay. Next, if the noun does not ends in s, add single quote. Single quote and s. Now see here, women, children, men, all these are plural nouns, but these nouns are not ending with s, so we will use apostrophe s with these plural nouns. Okay. Examples are women's dog, women's bag, children's doll, men's shoes. Right, here also we have used apostrophe s. Once again see, when the noun is singular, we will use apostrophe s with the noun. For example, dog's house, books, words, girl's doll, birds, chicks, car's engine, sister's room, Jim's pen, my mom's bag. When the noun is plural and ending with s, when the noun is plural and ending with s, we will use single quote after the s. For example, boy's ball, table's legs, girl's hand. When noun does not have s, we will use apostrophe s. For example, women's bag, dolls, children's dolls, men's shoes. Okay. So this is how we use apostrophe s in case of singular and plural nouns. That is all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.